Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Freight trains can produce only relatively small acceleration and decelerations. What is the final velocity in meters per second of a freight train that accelerates at a rate of 0.07 meters per second squared for 8 minutes, starting with an initial velocity of 5 meters per second? Blank meters per second. B. If the train can slow down at a rate of 0.45 meters per second squared, how long in seconds will it take to come to a stop from this velocity? Blank seconds. See how far in met. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.